Welcome back to Car Garage USA, the channel where you get the finest, sharpest, and most detailed reviews of the latest cars from around the world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Honda Pilot, a redesigned three-row SUV that blends bold styling, modern tech, and family-first practicality. If you're planning to upgrade your ride in 2026, this video is going to give you everything you need to know. The 2026 Honda Pilot steps in with a stronger and more muscular design, featuring a wider front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more squared-off body that gives it a confident SUV stance. Honda has clearly aimed to make the Pilot look tougher, sharper, and more premium than ever before. From the side profile, the sculpted lines, aerodynamic mirrors, and large alloy wheels add a refined touch. At the back, the new LED taillight signature and redesigned bumper give the Pilot a modern and stylish finish. Inside the 2026 Pilot, Honda has stepped up its game. The cabin feels more premium, more spacious, and more tech-focused. You're greeted with a large digital instrument cluster, a new floating touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and refined soft-touch materials throughout the cabin. The three-row seating layout is more flexible than ever, giving families all the space they need for long trips. Honda also upgraded the sound insulation, so the ride is quieter and smoother on highways. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Pilot continues with its reliable performance. Powered by a robust V6 engine paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, the Pilot delivers smooth acceleration and impressive towing power. Honda's all-wheel drive system has also been enhanced, offering better control on rough terrain, wet roads, and snowy surfaces. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading out for an off-road adventure, the Pilot handles every situation with confidence. On the safety side, Honda has equipped the 2026 Pilot with its latest Honda Sensing Suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic jam assist, and an upgraded collision mitigation braking system. With advanced sensors and cameras, the Pilot keeps your family safer and more secure than ever before. Overall, the 2026 Honda Pilot is a perfect blend of power, practicality, and premium comfort. It's built for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants a dependable SUV with modern technology and bold new styling. Honda has truly refined every part of this SUV to make it smarter, stronger, and more stylish. Thanks for watching Car Garage USA. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Honda Pilot, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. Drop your thoughts about the new Pilot in the comments below. Would you buy it in 2026? This is Car Garage USA, signing off. We'll see you in the next video.